For homeowners aiming to keep their yard pristine with zero hassle, the Husqvarna Hedge Master 320 IHD 60 Battery Hedge Trimmer is your ultimate partner for perfect hedges. At 24 inches, its blade length maximizes reach without sacrificing control, while the lightweight 7.94-pound design lets you handle it effortlessly, even for extended trimming sessions. With this trimmer, there's no gas exhaust to deal with or loud noise to disturb the neighborhood, just clean, efficient cuts. What sets this hedge trimmer apart is its remarkable power and efficiency. Backed by a 40-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it delivers 15% faster cutting speed and more torque compared to the competition's 56-volt models. This means you can tackle overgrown hedges quickly without breaking a sweat. And thanks to Husqvarna's active cooling system, your battery stays at optimal temperatures, so it powers on through without fading. Ergonomics play a huge role in making hedge trimming comfortable, and the 320 IHD 60 nails this with a tri-handle grip system. Unlike typical two-handle designs, this innovative setup offers 30% more reach and allows for flexible positioning, making it easy to adjust to any angle. The trimmer also includes an integrated leaf sweeper, a unique add-on for clearing away trimmings while you cut. If you're working with dense shrubs or thick branches up to an inch in diameter, the cutting capacity ensures you slice through effortlessly. For added convenience, a one-touch unjam button quickly opens the blades if they get caught, allowing you to get back to work instantly. And with the interchangeable battery system, you're not tied down. Swap the battery between any Husqvarna battery-powered tools for all-day yard maintenance. The brushless motor is a game-changer here. It's more efficient and durable than conventional motors, ensuring this trimmer will hold up season after season with lower maintenance. Plus, the low carbon emissions mean you're reducing your carbon footprint every time you trim, thanks to zero exhaust during operation. Although the safety bar requires consistent grip pressure, which some might find fatiguing, it's a design that Husqvarna prioritizes for your safety. It's also a valuable tool if you're working near more delicate plants, as the safety trigger gives you quick, precise control over each cut. If a corded option is what you're after, try the best corded electric hedge trimmer next. It's ready to play on the screen now.